Okay, I'm here with Alex in a garden in Oxford. We're in front of an annex in a lovely house, lovely big garden. What's the story here, Alex?
June has moved in with a daughter, so this is the studio that we've built her. It's 24 by 8, so it's got the bathroom, the kitchen and everything. June's a very interesting lady.
June's over here.
They're gonna do. They're gonna try and become self-sufficient. So June's gonna live here. The daughter's there, and solar panels. That's one of the reasons we're here, is to put solar panels on the studio. We're just looking at the.
We're looking into it.
Yeah, into the options of that. So basically, June's moved in with her daughter, and they've got all these beds now, and they're just starting to sort the garden out. She's going to live here, and they're going to sort of live in an allotment almost, and reduce all their living costs. That's the idea.
Yeah.
So.
Shall we have a little look round the?
Well, here comes June now.
Just got rid of the grandchild.
So, how long have you had the studio?
A year now.
Oh, a year.
Exactly a year, I think.
Exactly a year. Yeah, of course. Yeah.
And how are you getting on with it?
I absolutely love it. It's just amazing because it's warm and cosy, well insulated. It's got everything I need, and it's just a haven, really.
Yeah. So is this your daughter's house?
It's my daughter's house, and we did have a house before with a garage conversion, Garden Annexe, for my mum, and she passed away. And then we moved house, and actually my daughter thought a Garden Annexe would be a great addition for me and for the future. So we've sort of future-proofed it, because obviously I don't need it now as such.
Right.
In terms of the disability, the wet room and things, but we've done it so that in the future it's just as it needs to be, as sort of going forward.
Right. Excellent. Should we have a little look inside?
Yes. Thank you. So I got the guy to build the ramp so that they could get the elderly in.
Obviously, you live with your grandchildren. Do you spend a lot of your granddaughter come up here a lot?
She does, actually, because I'm the only one with a television. So it's a little bit of a pull. So yeah, they sometimes come down just to watch TV.
Yeah, that's nice.
Occasionally. Yeah, they do spend quite a lot of time down here because I've got biscuits as well.
Well, my ex-wife lives in the garden, my daughter and her grandchildren. Yeah, whenever I go there, I'll see where's one of the granddaughters and the grandson. They'll down with Ellen, so it works really well. But I do know the pull of biscuits because I hear Sarah and Lee going, it's only because she's got biscuits.
Well, I go to the biscuits in after the weekend because I work at weekends and it's empty. So they've been down even when I'm not here. It's empty.
The biscuits.
But yeah, I went for open plan actually. I decided not to partition the bedroom. So I've sort of got a bedroom area, sort of living area, kitchen, and then obviously the ensuite, wet room. And yeah, it's got everything I need. Yeah. It's perfect.
Well, that's what we're finding. Is that because obviously you've got the garden that's big, so you're going to spend time in the garden, especially if you're going to be growing all these vegetables.
Yeah,
that would be nice.
It's so easy, and the view. I mean, I put my bird table out there so I could sit here and just watch the birds. And, so yeah, the grandchildren sort of fill it up, and we watch the birds, and we're trying to identify, what's coming into the garden. So it's great. Yeah, I absolutely love it. I don't know what else to say. It's just great.
You've said plenty. That's great. I mean, that's what we're trying to do, is to try and demonstrate, and hopefully you've seen the team. You've seen.
Oh, the team are amazing. They come and they're inobtrusive. Yeah. They work. They don't mess about. They come and they do what they need to do. And even the big channel that went from here all the way across the garden, they had to channel the grass. But they literally took it out in small chunks and put it all back, and you wouldn't have actually known that they'd been. And that was like the week before they put it up, and then the guys came, and it just went up in no time. And they're always so helpful and kind and considerate.
But didn't you find that before you probably bought it, you were worried? Because it's
I don't know, it's really hard, Alex, because we looked far and wide.
Yeah.
And we looked at really expensive and sort of cheaper wooden ones, and we went with you, not because of the build as such, but although the 25-year guarantee was a massive pull, it was all the videos and all the things that you've got on your website.
All right, you're in one.
And people basically were saying what a great team you were, and there was so much, so much good feedback. We wanted somebody who actually cared, and that's really hard in today's environment. Nobody cares. You get mediocre, shoddy job, and they won't even come back.
Yeah.
And actually, with you, you've proved exactly what we thought. In that, whenever we had an issue, you ring back, you WhatsApp immediately. Weekends, 11 o'clock at night. Sometimes I've had Diane sort of reply, and that's just so unusual to find a company that actually care.
Yeah, and I think there is a bunch of people, and they are.
Your team are great.
Yeah, we work on that. That just doesn't happen. We work on keeping them motivated, keeping them happy, making sure that it's one of the reasons. We build fast, as you know, but it's not just for your benefit; it's for their benefit, so we can get them home to the wives.
Yeah.
I noticed when we were away from home for a little while, everybody was getting depressed, and I thought, I know what it is.
Let's fix it.
Too much drinking because you've got nothing else to do, which doesn't help your mental health, and then being away from your family. So the speed of the install, because this would have happened in days, wouldn't it? Two days.
It was 2.5 days. I think they were painting on the third day. And it's the finish as well. Everything is painted, the floor is down, the blinds are up, the kitchen's in, the hamper is that, it's just like, and even a doormat. You come in and there's a doormat, and you just like, attention to detail. And your company's only as, you're one person, it's your name, but your company's only as good as the people who work for you, and they obviously really appreciate, so they put the extra effort in.
We work
they're
on
amazing that. They're amazing.
That's what we wanted to be.
So I'd recommend them to anybody.
Okay,
that's lovely. Thanks very much, June.